Interested in finding out what's inside the box? Join me and let's do this together. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim, and this is the Galaxy Buds FE, or Fan Edition. Let's do this. Rip one out, and then rip the other one out. And it didn't really rip out properly. Okay. I kind of like the ripping just instead of using the knife. This is good. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Ta-da! And ta-da! There you go. That's what's inside the box. So, first, we actually have the case. And I'm pretty sure the earbuds are inside. What else do we have here? And we have the cable. Oh man, why is this hard to... Come on, there we go. And is there anything else? No, inside here, oh yeah. And I'm pretty sure this would be like the documentations and stuff like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And now let's check out the actual earbuds. Okay, so first the case. There's the LED. I'm pretty sure that's the LED indicator there. Then you have the USB-C port at the back. There's not much going on there. And then you have some information at the bottom. And at the top, of course, you have the Samsung logo. And let's open this for the very first time. Ta-da! There you go. There you have another LED inside there. Okay, let's see if I could actually remove this. So there's the earbuds number 1, earbuds number 2. There's not much going on in the case, just the regular case with the contacts right there. Alright, so these are the actual earbuds. Okay, quite small actually. Yeah, not bad. But the cool thing is, you've got some tips. Oh, here, this one, sorry. Some ear tips that you can switch out if you want to. Perfect. Now let's see if I could fit this in my ear. So this is left, nice, because it actually says left there. Let's try this. Okay, and then I've got the right there. Okay. Oh, not bad. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of in-ear buds like this, but this is actually not bad. It actually fits well, and it's comfortable. One thing I did notice, though, is that when I opened it, I didn't even have to do anything, but my Samsung Note 9 actually picked up on this one. I don't know if my Fold 6 actually picked this up, so we'll find out. But that's pretty much it. Alright, beautiful people, that is it for this video, and I thank you for staying with me until the very end. Question: if you have any experience with the Galaxy Buds FE, let me know. If you liked it, or if you didn't like it, just tell me the reason why. I really want to know. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, smash that like button, and as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!